Hey guys, I am Sanket and welcome back to another exciting video. Today I have brand new Hohem MT2 Gimbal, which is all-in-one gimbal for mirrorless camera, compact camera, GoPro and smartphone, which weighs just 653 grams. You know that I travel so much, and when it comes to my travel gears, I always prefer them compact and lightweight. And this time Hohem has released this Hohem MT2 Kit gimbal, and in today's video we are going to explore its feature and why it's worth considering. So let's roll the intro. So I hope you like the intro. Now let's talk about the unboxing. Now this gimbal comes with this beautiful carrying bag. Inside it you can find its accessories like gimbal with AI tracking unit, connecting brackets for cameras, smartphone and also for action cameras like GoPro, and lots of cable to connect with them to camera. And also here you can find user manual and tripod. Now let's talk about the build quality of this gimbal. Now this gimbal is made up of aluminum 7075, which is a aircraft grade aluminum and high performance composites. So it can handle payload up to 1.2 kg with battery life of 17 hours. Now I can easily shoot using my Sony ZV-E1 and this gimbal without any jitters. So here are some shots which I shot using this gimbal and my Sony ZV-E1, and these shots are without any post stabilization. Just have a look. Now for balancing this gimbal, I will not show you in this video because Hohem has uploaded a very easy video on their YouTube channel which you can understand very easily, and you can watch this video. I will add the link above here, or also I will add the link in the description below. Now let's talk about some of the features of this gimbal which I personally liked. Now the first feature is definitely this AI tracking unit. Now let's talk about this game-changing feature of this gimbal. So this is a separate small unit which you can decide it to buy or not, but I will suggest you to buy this because this is a really revolutionary unit. It's a small thing, you just have to put it on the top of the gimbal and it gets attached magnetically. This unit will track you without any app or any other connectivity like Bluetooth connectivity or Wi-Fi. Now tracking a person using this unit is a gesture control. You just have to do gesture like this, then gimbal will automatically track you perfectly. And if you want to stop tracking, you just have to do sign like this. When the tracking is started, the LED lights will turn green. By default, it's red. It's a really great feature if you are alone and want to shoot yourself. Now this unit is not only used for the tracking purpose but also for lighting purpose. Now when you are shooting in the dark environment or in the night, you can switch on the RGB lights of this gimbal, and you can also control the luminosity of this unit using this wheel. Isn't it cool? Now let's talk about the next feature of this gimbal, Inception shots. It's another interesting feature which I personally like. In this feature, you can roll your mobile or your camera along the rolling axis of gimbal to take this amazing shot. For that, you just need to press the modes button 3 times and gimbal will move to the starting position, and you just have to walk slowly and it will automatically rotate and you can get this beautiful shot. Now let's talk about the next feature. In today's world of Instagram Reels, TikTok and YouTube Shorts, vertical content are very important, and this gimbal allows you to record your videos vertically. Now to shoot vertically, you just have to remove this bracket and put it vertically. That's it. So that's all from this video. To sum up, I would say this is the best all-in-one gimbal at this price range in 2023, especially for the people who travels and who hikes in the mountain This will definitely save some weight and space in your bag. Will definitely recommend you all this gimbal for its feature and tough body design. I have added a link below if you want to buy this gimbal. With that said guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, smash that like button, do subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon not to miss any of my future videos. Till then, take care and bye bye.